A promise was made to the city of Cleveland, and together we are delivering on it. Across districts 1, 4, and 5, new boiler systems were installed in January and carried those buildings throughout the rest of the heating season. Major HVAC replacements are now underway, with chillers, air handling equipment, pumps, piping, and control systems are scheduled to be operational by June. Key exterior improvements have also been completed, including facade restoration, concrete and masonry work, roofing progress, and station upgrades. And it has been done the right way, with local union labor, local coordination, and real work happening inside Cleveland neighborhoods. The city of Cleveland and Leopardo set out to modernize these facilities and reduce operating costs. And that is exactly what is happening.